In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Discovery Life Insurance to pay for itself in 2026. The idea here is not that the policy becomes free automatically, but that with the right setup and ongoing participation, you may be able to offset a meaningful portion of your premiums through discounts, rewards, and cashback features. So the first thing you want to do is choose a qualifying Discovery Life policy. When reviewing your options, look for a plan that includes benefits like payback and other eligible wellness-linked features, because those are the tools that can help create the most value over time. Next, make sure you link your eligible Discovery products. This is a very important part of the process because many of the savings opportunities depend on how your Discovery products work together. If you have qualifying products such as Discovery Vitality, an eligible Discovery Health Plan, or Discovery Bank, connect them properly so you can unlock the premium discounts and rewards tied to your policy. After that, stay actively engaged with your health and wellness. This is where many people either maximize the benefit or leave value on the table. Complete eligible wellness activities, keep up healthy habits, and participate consistently. The more engaged you are, the better your chances of improving the rewards and getting stronger payback outcomes over the life of the policy. From there, focus on earning premium discounts and cashback. Depending on your specific plan and your level of participation, you may qualify for ongoing discounts on your premiums, and you could also receive a portion of qualifying premiums back through the payback program. In some cases, that amount can be substantial, which is why this strategy is often described as getting the policy to pay for itself. You may also want to consider adding the cash conversion benefit if it suits your long-term goals. This is an optional feature, but it can be useful if you're thinking beyond immediate savings and want to build toward retirement payments based on your policy's life fund value. It won't be right for everyone, so it's worth looking at in the context of your overall financial plan. It's also important to review your policy regularly, use the Discovery app or online portal to track your rewards, discounts, and overall policy performance. A quick review every so often can help you confirm that everything is linked correctly and that you're receiving the maximum value available. Finally, work with a qualified financial advisor. An advisor can help you choose the right benefits, explain how the reward structure works, and make sure your policy is set up in a way that gives you the best chance of maximizing returns. If you follow these steps carefully and stay consistent, you can put yourself in the best position to make your Discovery Life policy work much harder for you.